Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. Musk's parents divorced when he was young, and he lived with his father, who was an electromechanical engineer. Musk was an avid reader as a child and had a keen interest in science fiction. In 1988, Musk moved to the United States to attend the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned 2 bachelor's degrees in physics and economics. After graduation, he started a PhD in applied physics and materials science at Stanford University but dropped out after just 2 days to start his own business. In 1995, Musk founded Zip2, a web software company that provided online business directories and maps. He managed to secure contracts with major newspapers, including the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune, and eventually sold the company for $307 million in 1999. Musk used his earnings from Zip2 to start his next venture, X.com, an online payment company that eventually became PayPal. PayPal revolutionized the way people paid for goods and services online and was sold to eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion. After the sale of PayPal, Musk founded SpaceX in 2002 with the goal of reducing the cost of space exploration and eventually making humanity a multiplanetary species. Musk invested $100 million of his own money into the company and worked tirelessly to develop and launch its first rocket, the Falcon 1. The company struggled in its early years, with several failed rocket launches and financial difficulties, but Musk persisted, pouring more and more of his own money into the venture. In 2008, SpaceX finally succeeded in launching its first rocket into orbit, the Falcon 1, and the company became the first privately funded entity to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station in 2012. SpaceX has since become a major player in the space industry, with contracts to launch satellites for major corporations and contracts with NASA to transport astronauts and supplies to the ISS. In addition to SpaceX, Musk also founded Tesla, an electric car company, in 2003. Tesla faced its own set of challenges, with production delays and financial difficulties, but Musk persevered and eventually turned the company into one of the most valuable car companies in the world. Musk has also been involved in several other ventures, including Solar City, a solar power company, and The Boring Company, a tunnel construction company. Despite his successes, Musk has faced criticism and controversy throughout his career. He has been accused of overworking his employees, making unrealistic promises, and engaging in aggressive behavior towards critics and journalists. He has also been involved in several high-profile legal battles, including a defamation case in which he was accused of calling a British cave diver a pedo guy. Despite the ups and downs of his career, Musk remains one of the most influential and innovative entrepreneurs of our time. He has a vision for the future that is both grand and ambitious, and he is willing to take risks and make sacrifices to achieve it. Whether he is successful in his ultimate goal of making humanity a multiplanetary species remains to be seen, but there is no doubt that Musk will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible and inspire others to do the same.